It's time to take a moment for yourself. Let your body soften and rest. Get ready for Yoga Nidra. Lie down in corpse pose, Shavasana. You may take a pillow to support your head and a blanket to keep your body warm. Adjust your position so you can be comfortable and still for the duration of this practice. Before commencing the practice, let's plant a seed of dedication in your mind that will guide you through this practice. You dedicate yourself to practice conscious awareness with non-attachment and equanimity, simply being aware and noting what is, letting your ego and mind calm down and your thoughts go. Become aware of the weight of your physical body. Your body is heavy. Let it sink into the floor. Let the floor hold your body and let it all go. Become aware of your breathing. Breathe deeply, smoothly, and evenly, without any pauses or noise. Let your breath flow effortlessly, starting with the top of your head. Relax your head and face. Relax your neck and shoulders. Relax your upper arms. Relax your elbows. Relax your lower arms. Relax your wrists and palms. Relax your fingers and finger joints. Relax your chest. Relax your navel and lower abdomen. Relax your back and the muscles along the spine. Relax your hips and your whole pelvis. Relax your thighs and knees. Relax your calves and ankles. Relax your feet and toes, the toe joints. Relax your whole body. Feel your whole body completely relax. Relax from head to toe. Continue to breathe deeply, smoothly and evenly. Let your breath flow effortlessly. Be aware that you are going to practice Yoga Nidra and say mentally, I am aware, I am awake, I am going to practice Yoga Nidra. I am aware, I am awake, I am going to practice Yoga Nidra. Keep the focus on the practice. Do not let your mind wander. Simply follow my voice. You will now practice the rotation of consciousness in your physical body, paying attention to 61 special points. Become aware of the body parts as I name them. Mentally visualize their shape, weight, and sensations. Let us begin. Bring your attention to the space between your eyebrows, the eyebrow center. Keep your attention at this point and think of number 1. We will now proceed through the remaining 60 special points of the body. Bring your awareness to the center of your throat. 2. Your right shoulder joint. 3. Right elbow joint. 4. Your right wrist joint. 5. Tip of your right thumb. 6. Tip of your right index finger. 7. Tip of your right middle finger. 8. Tip of your right ring finger. 9. Tip of your right little finger. 10. Now come back up to your right wrist joint. 11. Right elbow joint. 12. Your right shoulder joint. 13. Bring awareness to the center of your throat. 14. Now go across to your left shoulder joint. 15. Left elbow joint. 16. Your left wrist joint. 17. Tip of your left thumb. 18. Tip of your left index finger. 19. Tip of your left middle finger. 20. Tip of your left ring finger. 21. Tip of your left little finger. 22. Back up to your left wrist joint. 23. Left elbow joint. 24. Your left shoulder joint. 25. Bring your awareness to the center of the throat. 26. Now bring your awareness down to the center of your breastbone. 27. Now across to the right nipple. 28. back to the center of your breastbone, 29. Across to the left nipple, 30. Again, back to the center of your breastbone, 31. Now bring your awareness down to your navel center, 32. Come down to your pelvic center, 33. Go across with your awareness to your right hip joint, 34. Down to your right knee joint, 35. Right ankle joint, 36. Now bring your awareness to your big toe of your right foot, 37. Second toe, 38. Middle toe, 39. Fourth toe, 40. Little toe of the right foot, 41. Now come up to your right ankle joint, 42. Right knee joint, 43. Your right hip joint, 44. Back to your pelvic center, 45. Now go across to your left hip joint, 46. Left knee joint, 47. Your left ankle joint, 48. Bring your awareness to the big toe of the left foot, 49. Second toe, 50. Middle toe, 51. Fourth toe, 52. Little toe of the left foot, 53. Now come up to your left ankle joint, 54. Left knee joint, 55. Left hip joint, 56. Come back to the pelvic center, 57. Up to the navel center, 58. Up further to the heart center, at the center of your chest, 59. Bring your awareness to the throat center, 60. Come up to the eyebrow center, 61. Gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Observe the natural flow and movement of your breath. Let your breath flow calm and effortlessly for a few minutes, and feel as if you're breathing in and out through your eyebrow center. Your 61-point Yoga Nidra practice is now complete. Gently and slowly become aware of your surroundings. Become aware of your physical body. Come back into your body. You may move your fingers and wiggle your toes. If you like, you can stretch your whole body, just like after waking up in the morning. Then slowly and gently, in your own time, bring your body into a sitting position. Take a deep and conscious breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let it all go. And whenever you feel ready, open your eyes. Have a wonderful evening. Namaste.